Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your BMW 1 Series faster. We'll cover straightforward modifications that can significantly enhance your car's performance. First, improving airflow with a performance air intake is a great starting point. Next, a high-flow exhaust system allows your engine to breathe more efficiently, boosting horsepower. Finally, a tuning module can recalibrate your engine's computer for optimal power delivery, giving you a noticeable increase in speed and responsiveness. Upgrading your air intake is a simple yet effective way to gain power. A cold air intake, for example, can add between 5 and 10 horsepower by supplying denser, cooler air to your engine. Complementing this, a performance exhaust system reduces restrictive back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit more quickly. This combination not only boosts your car's power output, but also enhances the engine's sound and sharpens throttle response, making your driving experience more engaging. For a more substantial power boost, consider a tuning module or engine software optimization. These devices or programs recalibrate your engine's computer, adjusting parameters like fuel delivery and ignition timing. A good tuning module can increase horsepower by 20 to 30%, providing a dramatic improvement in acceleration and overall performance. This type of modification unlocks your engine's hidden potential, delivering a much more exhilarating driving experience on the road. Beyond engine modifications, other upgrades can further enhance your BMW 1 Series. Lightweight wheels, for instance, reduce unsprung mass, improving both acceleration and handling. Upgrading your suspension components, such as coilovers or stiffer springs, can also improve power transfer to the road and sharpen cornering. Remember, a balanced approach to modifications often yields the best results. For more great deals and to check out a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.